Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. First, confirm you have an active email and phone on your Roblox account. Once done, sign in and go straight to Settings, then Security. Make sure two-step verification is visible and selected. Choose an Authenticator app for stronger security, or pick SMS if you can't install apps. You're taking the first actionable step now, selecting the method. This reduces account takeover risk immediately, so start the setup without delay. Now you'll connect the verification method. If you choose an Authenticator app, open it and scan the QR code shown by Roblox or type the manual key, then enter the generated 6-digit code back on the site. If you chose SMS, enter your phone number and confirm the code sent to you. Make sure to copy or download the recovery codes Roblox provides. They let you regain access if you lose your device. This step binds the second factor to your account, so verify codes carefully. Finish by enabling two-step verification and then test it immediately. Log out and sign back in to confirm you receive a code. When prompted, decide whether to trust the device you're using for less friction later. Store backup codes offline, print or save them in a password manager. If something goes wrong, here's one key tip. Check your Authenticator app's time sync or your phone carrier if you don't get SMS codes. Incorrect device time is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.